Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Öyle. Bitme.
Ja.
Today we are very excited to bring the seaplane for a demo to the northeast state of Meghalaya under the support of Chief Minister of Meghalaya, a good friend, dear friend, young and dynamic Chief Minister Conrad Sangmaji. With his support, we were able to do a demo presentation here, and we just had a wonderful trip. We went to the Shillong airport and also saw the Shillong city from the plane itself. And this gives us the potential of seaplane operations, especially in the northeast, where still connectivity is a big challenge. And if you look at the vision of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he has taken the connectivity of northeast with topmost priority. Let it be road connectivity, rail connectivity or air connectivity. He wants the northeast to be integrated with the mainland with the best connectivity that is possible. And from the Ministry of Civil Aviation, we want to ensure that his vision becomes a reality, and we have expanded the airport network also in the northeast, and today to take it much more further to reach to the more remotest areas, we are utilizing the seaplane network. And earlier also seaplanes was launched in the country, but we saw that there are certain challenges that have emerged. So we spoke with the stakeholders, we have taken their suggestions, and now we have liberalized the regulation a little bit so that the industry can flourish, the seaplane operations can come up with the full potential. And today in the Umami Lake, and it's a wonderful, beautiful landscape that we have here. And imagine the kind of boost the seaplane operations can give, not just for the connectivity, but also the tourism in the Meghalaya sector. So that is what we want to tap into. And now with this kind of seaplane, this has been brought by de Havilland from Canada. And this is a plane which can land in the water, which can land in the sea, which can land in regular airports also. It's an amphibian aircraft. So any place that you want, you can land, you can take the air connectivity to that region. So we see that there is a big potential for the seaplane operations. We will partner with the state government of Meghalaya, and we will see which all locations are the possible locations. And our chief minister has also guided us to look at Tura location, where it is his dream to give a connectivity, air connectivity to that region. And I see that possibility, that dream becoming a reality with the seaplane operations. And also he wants the expansion of Shillong airport. We went to the Shillong airport, we have reviewed the situation there, and definitely within 1.5 years time we want to see that the operations are expanded and big aircrafts can also land there and boost the connectivity of the state of Meghalaya. Our intention from the Ministry of Civil Aviation is Hawai Chappal se Hawai Jahaj ka safar. Each and every person of this country should aspire to travel by air. We want to bring in affordable air travel into the country and connect each and every nook and corner of the country with air travel. Wherever airports, there is a possibility, we are building more airports. In the last 10 years, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, we have expanded the airport network from 74 to 157. And wherever there is no possibility for doing an airports, we are going to use the water bodies, we are going to use rivers, we are going to use the coastline, the seas of the country, so that we can connect them to through the seaplanes also. And we are also doing a 2-day civil aviation summit in the state of Meghalaya, and we once again thank the Honorable Chief Minister for letting that happen. So one is the helicopter and small aircraft summit, which happens usually in different parts of the country, and we have brought it under the partnership of state of Meghalaya. We are hosting it here in Shillong itself, and tomorrow we have a Northeastern Aviation Summit. So these two summits will help us boost the aviation network in the Northeast especially. Northeast is such a place where people don't not only from the rest of the country want to come here, but now we are seeing a growing demand for the rest of the world also wanting to come here. They want to come here for tourism, they want to come here for spirituality, they want to come here to connect to the nature, and they want to come here for business activities also. So this is going to be a big potential hub for us in terms of connectivity, not just in terms of the regional connectivity, but across the globe also. And we are going to support the state government of Meghalaya in whatever aspirations or in whatever plans that it has, and we will offer our full support and see and ensure that Meghalaya is properly connected through air, let it be through the regular airports or seaplane operations or helicopters.
Seaplane operations here, we are opening the door to efficient, scenic, and sustainable travel that represents the natural environment and respects it. Imagine the ability to travel from Umiam Lake to other destinations across India in a fraction of the time it currently takes. This is the future we envision. With the Twin Otter Seaplane, we can transform the way residents, tourists, and businesses connect. This service can create new opportunities for tourism and help bring economic benefits to your local businesses and enrich the cultural exchange between Meghalaya and the rest of India. The Twin Otter Seaplane is specifically designed for rugged environments like this one, with proven reliability and capability in diverse weather conditions. This aircraft is not only well suited to handle Meghalaya's monsoon conditions, but is also versatile enough to land on both land and water. It's truly the perfect aircraft for opening up access to locations that have traditionally been difficult to reach. We are incredibly grateful for the tremendous support from the Ministry of Civil Aviation, the DGCA, FICCI, SpiceJet, the government of Meghalaya, local authorities, and all partners who have made today possible. Your enthusiasm for innovation, for progress, and sustainable development has been instrumental, and it's truly inspiring to be working alongside you on this journey. Today is only the beginning. We at de Havilland are committed to seeing this project grow and to bringing the advantages of seaplane operations and connectivity to more of India's remote locations. Together, We are creating a brighter future for connectivity and helping communities thrive.
Friends, connectivity is something that we are all aware is very, very crucial for the growth of the nation, very crucial for the overall growth of the tourism sector. I remember way back in 19 Minister, one of the very important points, turning point I should say, for the civil aviation sector was the Udan scheme that had come up. We had some hurdles out here in the Umroi airport, and I'm very happy to mention to all of you that through a lot of great difficulty during that time, we managed to make the Umroi airport functional, and with the support of the government of India and in fact the visionary leadership that the Honorable Prime Minister has given to ensure that the connectivity between the regional headquarters, the smaller states and smaller airports could pick up. The Udan scheme came, and it was a major game changer. And today, about 5 meters of depth for a seaplane to land. And these are some things, if you look at it in the Northeast, it is actually possible to even create these water bodies, which will be much more cheaper than actually building up a new airport. So you just put up a dam, which may cost just about 10-15 lakhs, literally, if the location is quite good. And you have a landing strip. So it's really something that can be really worked on, and you can actually, because of the large amount of rain we receive in Northeast, we can actually create water bodies in different locations to facilitate the landing of such planes. So it's really something that's going to really open up the sector, and I'm sure that we will see many locations that will come up in the future. In fact, even in Tura, my constituency, we are working towards building up a large reservoir because of the water issues and the crisis that we expect will happen, maybe 20 years, 30 years from now. So if we create the reservoirs and keep them ready, then we are taking care of the requirements for the next 35, 40, 50 years. And that water body will easily be able to accommodate this particular plane in the future. So those are the kind of opportunities that are available. But having said that, I think what is very critical for all of us to remember is that the technology is only a facilitator for the larger picture of what we are doing with the economy. So these seaplanes are going to be just seaplanes if we are not able to connect them or make them part of the ecosystem that we need to create. And therefore, the tourism sector will play a very important role in the success of the seaplanes that come in. How do we integrate the experience of a seaplane on a Umiam Lake with the stay that the tourists will have, in the resorts out here? So just to share with you, this place that you are seeing right now, we are going for a massive changeover of this place. We have opened up bids to put up a 7-star resort out here, and we are getting bids coming in as we speak. I think it's just in the pipeline. So I'm hopeful that in the next 2 to 3 years, we'll be having maybe one of the best resorts in the entire Northeast region right here in this spot that we are standing on right now. And how do we connect with the plane experience and the resorts and the entire tourism sector will determine whether these kind of technology in the seaplanes will be a success or not. So hence, the tourism stakeholders must connect and must be able to work together with the aviation team so that we can actually make it sustainable. Government will have to play the initial role to support so that their sustainability is there, the practical side is there, and be able to move forward. But at the end of the day, it must be sustainable through tourism and other sectors working together. So I'm very hopeful that that will happen. From the tourism point of view, we are very happy today that Shillong is one of the most sought after destinations. That's exactly what the word is. There's a Sky Scanners trend report that came out.
Your team guidance and collaborations have been instrumental in paving the way for initiatives that will significantly benefit not only our state, Meghalaya, but also the Northeastern region as a whole. Aviation play a crucial role in realizing the dream of Northeast regions. As we gather here, I am reminded of our Chief Minister's vision to transform Meghalaya into a $10 billion economy. And this vision is not merely aspirational, it is a roadmap for unlocking the true potentials of our beautiful states of Meghalaya. The government of Meghalaya recognizes tourism as one and its vital engine for development. And we understand that enhancing our connectivity is a key component in unlocking the true potentials of our tourism sector, positioning Meghalaya as one of the country's premier sustainable tourism destinations. The Shillong Airport serves as our primary air links, facilitating tourism and business travel as a whole. And also the government of Meghalaya is committed to its visions and actively working on several initiatives to improve our air connectivity. Firstly, sir, Umroi Airport currently caters to a smaller flight like ATR 72, and however, we have been able to improve the connectivity to other states in northeastern regions like Kolkata and Delhi. Shillong Airport has witnessed a dramatic footfall growth of 68% in the past 5 years. However, the state is determined to improve connectivity to major metro cities such as Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, etc. And the effort is underway for this. And also I take pride in stating that we have successfully transitioned Umroi Airport to operate 7 days a week and are actively exploring 2-shift operation to enable same-day travel to the other cities.